The revolution in molecular biology over the past decades has dramatically changed the rate at which new diagnostic tests are developed and their potential use by NTD programs, and that's been very exciting. The development of new diagnostics is critically important because in order to treat people properly, you have to know who's infected and where they're located. And diagnostics are critical for that initial mapping and then for the scaling up of programs. If the goal of the program is elimination of the disease, then very high quality diagnostics are critical in order to demonstrate that the disease has truly been eliminated. This research was done in a lot of labs around the world. This kind of modern molecular biology really requires collaboration of lots of labs and information sharing. Even if one lab is primarily responsible for developing a new test, many labs have to be involved in order to validate that test. In the development of this new test for river blindness in this case, the biggest challenge was actually collecting samples, getting samples of the parasites and the black flies in order to do this work. The other challenge is the availability of the necessary equipment to do the work and then the expertise of scientists in the endemic countries to do that work. Before COVID, this was a huge problem, but post-COVID, these skills have really been developed all over the globe, so things have gotten much easier. So really the critical thing in the development of new tests is that you get better results, more accurate results, and this is going to really ensure that people that live in endemic areas are going to get the treatment they need in order to drastically reduce or eliminate these neglected tropical diseases.